China proposed initiatives have promoted a global convergence of ideas while encouraging African countries to pursue development paths suitable to their own national conditions. The comments were made by Tachiona Zindoga, founder and director of a local think tank in Zimbabwe, in a recent interview with Xinhua.
What is critical in the proposals that China has made within various frameworks, such as FOCAC, such as the Belt and Road Initiative, such as the Global Development Initiative, such as the Global Security Initiative, or the Global Civilization Initiative, is that while they are advocating for a global convergence of ideas, they have clearly stated that the development models or the development paths should fit local conditions. What is critical is that various countries, including Zimbabwe, including African countries, have to take what is relevant to them. What we have seen from China is that when it is providing these concepts, these frameworks, these propositions, it is doing so from a persuasive perspective. It is not forcing those ideas